Okay, so this is the non-calculator paper, and you need to know your exact trig values. There's loads of different hacks, tricks, different ways you might have just memorized them. But let's go through where they're from if you're somebody that needs to sort of figure it out from scratch. So if we have an equilateral triangle, so that means each of the sides are the same, I'm going to make them 2, and then each of the angles is 60, and you are going to half that, you end up with a right angle triangle with one angle 60, the other 30. This side is 2, this is 1. Then using Pythagoras, you've got 2 squared being 4 minus 1. So you've got root 3. So from there, you can have sine 30, which will be your opposite over your hypotenuse. Cos 60, which is your adjacent over your hypotenuse, and so on. And the other triangle that you could use is a isosceles triangle, where these two sides are the same as 1. These two angles are 45. 1 squared plus 1 squared is 2, so that's root 2. And there you can do tan 45, sine 45, and cos 45. So if we want the exact value of tan 45, we've got the opposite over adjacent, and it's 1 over 1, so we have 1. Then we've got a right angle triangle. We're told cos 60 equals 0.5. So they're telling us what cos 60 is. In your exam, might not or potentially won't give you cos 60 as a half. So cos 60, we've got so, ka, toa. We know from the 60, if we were to label all the sides, the longest side, which is opposite the right angle, is always your hypotenuse. Then we've got opposite the angle, so going directly across is the opposite, and adjacent. So we know the adjacent, we want the hypotenuse, so we're using cos. So cos 60 equals the adjacent, which is 4, over the hypotenuse. If you've got a fraction like this, so you've got something equals a fraction, you can swap these two. So h will be 4 over cos 60. H in this case is x. Let's change that. We're told that cos 60 is 0.5. So that's 4 divided by 0.5, divided by a half, which is the same as timesing by 2. So we're going to get 8 centimeters.